Hi, this is the Algebra 2 Chapter 7 practice test. We're going to do 9, 10, and 11 in this short video. If you have any questions, be sure you check with me later, but you can always rewind this and go back or pause it or fast forward it if there's something you don't like. All right, we need to expand this completely, which means break it down into individual logs for as many parts as possible. Log base 7 of 11y divided by 4x squared. So first, using the quotient rule, we're going to do log base 7 of 11y minus the log base 7 of 4x squared. Okay, from there, since 11y is 11 times y, and the 4x squared is 4 times x squared, I'm going to separate each of these into two logs using the product rule. So log base 7 of 11 plus log base 7 of y. Now, when I separate the log base 7 of 4x squared, I'm going to put parentheses around it because I'm subtracting the whole quantity. So now I'm going to break log base 7 of 4x squared into log base 7 of 4 plus the log base 7 of x squared. Alright, only two more things we can do to simplify this more. Use the power rule to take the exponent in front of that log and then distribute the negative. So log base 7 of 11 plus log base 7 of y. I'm going to distribute the negative this time, so minus log base 7 of 4, and this minus 2 log base 7 of x. So two things happen in that step. I distributed the negative, so negative log base 7 of 4 minus log base 7 of x squared, and the squared, the exponent on the 2 comes out and becomes a coefficient of the log term. Now that is completely simplified. All right, for number 10, we're doing exactly the opposite. We're going to go backwards to condense these. So 4 log of 5 plus 3 log of y, the coefficients become exponents up here. So we end up with log of 5 to the 4th power plus the log of y to the 3rd power. Now, since I can figure out what 5 to the 4th is, 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 is 625. I can write that as log of 625 plus log of y cubed. Now the last thing is I can use the product rule to combine these together. They're both taking log, so you take log, and then multiply what I'm taking log of. So log of 625 y to the 3rd. Is that completely simplified? All right. Now, the last one, number 11. Use a calculator to evaluate log base 6 of 11 round to the nearest hundredths place. Log base 6 of 11, use the change of base rule. You can do it in your calculator using log base 10, or just the LOG key, of 11 divided by the log of 6. Okay. All right. Punch that in your calculator, and you should get about 1.34. Okay. Before I round it to hundredths place, it was 1.338, but then that rounds to 1.34. All right. Good luck.